What's up, guys? Today we are shopping at Ikea, so come on, let's go check it out. We're at the local Ikea store, so we're gonna go walk the little showrooms and check out the marketplace and see if there's anything new and cool that we like. By the way, I'm Jen. Thanks for clicking on my video. My channel is a little of this and a little of that. Sometimes I do retail store walkthroughs like today. Sometimes I do unboxings and shopping hauls. And sometimes I just do home vlogs of what I'm up to in my day-to-day life. If that sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. I would love to have you add me to your subscriptions. This is the PAX closet organization system right here. And then this one here is the Aurodal system. So this is a little bit different than PAX in that I think the sections are narrower, and see how it has feet and there's some space underneath the bottom. Whereas the PAX one is flush to the floor, so it looks a little bit more custom. These are pretty cool. It's this bottle shape jar with a lid. This is the Hemnes cabinet system. Also has feet. This is the option with the glass doors and the drawers underneath, but this also comes in a plain bookcase. You can get this in a bunch of different colors. I believe there's a black option, a white option, and a brown option. This red is the newest color. I love these little peg hooks for a kitchen, how they have this all in one line. This would be really cute to do in a kitchen if you had like tile on the bottom like for a backsplash and then you wanted to do a paint color above it. It's a great dividing line. This is the classic Calyx storage systems, and if you see, they have a base underneath it so that you can put them up on legs. Here's another view of it in the taller bookcases. And these legs on the bottom are a separate piece, and they are metal instead of wood. And the reason why I keep mentioning shelves with feet is because I'm actually looking for bookcases for my living room, and I have baseboard heat on the wall where I want to put them. So I am looking for something with feet so that that baseboard heat can still come through. A lot of the Ikea bookshelves now don't have feet. They are flush to the floor like the Billy system, and the reason why they do that is I think a lot of people like to buy these and make them look like built-ins and appear as though they're custom in their living rooms. But if you have something like baseboard heaters where you can't go straight against the wall, I think it's important to have a bookcase with feet to let that air flow through. These metal rails with hooks are really popular. I see these a lot in like small space videos where they're showing how to use these in kitchens and entryways and all kinds of places. See, this is what I'm talking about. This like entertainment console unit is flush to the floor. And if you look at the side, you can see how it's got a cutaway so that it can be pushed up against a baseboard. A lot of times when you see videos where people are taking Billy bookcases and trying to make them look custom in their living room, they'll cut away their baseboard so that they can be pushed right up against the wall. So like I said, in my living room, I have actual baseboard heaters. I can't cut them away or remove them, and I don't want them blocked and like suffocating the heat. Here's another really nice set of bookcases. I like these a lot. This is exactly what I'm looking for, where it's bookcases on the top and then cabinets on the bottom. This also, though, is flush down to the floor. These appear to be like a separate bottom and a separate top, so you can kind of customize this however you want. This is another new item that I really like a lot. This is a calyx unit in this dark forest green. They have two of them next to each other here. It looks really cool. These little tiered tables are cute too. $24.99 for one of these. This lamp is also new in this nice bluish green color. And then this is the open shelf hemness in the same collection as the red one that I showed earlier, but this is white with the wooden shelves and without the glass doors and the drawers on the bottom. And then these two are kind of similar, the Havstadt and the Haga, in that they both have a cabinet on the bottom and shelves on the top. Just a noticeable difference in height on these two systems. Here's one I like. This is the Rimness. So I wonder if there's an option to put a bookcase on top of that. That would work for me. Not crazy about these handles, but it looks like they could maybe be replaced. This one I like a lot too, the Idanis. This is a lot taller and deeper. So for what I'm trying to do, which is store photo albums, this deeper depth might actually work better for me. And then these are the classic Billy shelves. Yeah, did you buy the doors? This is that same calyx that we saw before, but it is turned on its side. I kind of like that one with the uneven openings as opposed to the traditional calyx look, which is everything square. These full-length mirrors are pretty cool because not only do they not take up a lot of space in a room, they also have these really cool storage function on the back. Here's another one of these full-length mirror options. So you can have this in your room and then also utilize the back here with this bar to hang things on. Another one. Okay, now we'll head down to the marketplace area. So that's everything for me at Ikea today. I feel like I was in here for a really long time. I didn't even show everything because if I did, this video would be like an hour and a half long. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for following along with me today as I shopped in here. I hope you saw something that caught your eye. If you like seeing this video, please give it a like and drop a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this visit to IKEA. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!